Guys, welcome to my. Is this my first live? Uh, no, not really. I think I've done live before. Okay, but this is my first. Okay, welcome to my live. That's all. Okay, so welcome to my live streaming, and in this video, I want to show you how you can code on your pad or phone. So basically, I'm just going to be using a pad in this video, and we're going to come over here to play a store. Yes, click on it. So what we're looking for is an editor, okay? And the editor we're going to use basically can be used for website creation. Let's say you're learning HTML, CSS. Yes, you can use this editor. It works really nice. Okay. So we have the free version and the paid version. So this is it right here. As you can see, it's called A Code Editor. So we have the paid version, which costs this amount really small, not that much. Or you can use the free version over here. So I'm just gonna go with the free version. So this is it right here. So with this editor, you can code right on your tab and on your phone too, because you can download it on your phone. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, it's very light. So this is it right here. Okay, so it's done installing. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's say you want to start coding. What you need to do is first you need to create a file. So let's go ahead and create one. Oops. Then we also need to create a folder. So I think I should create the folder first. After the folder, create the file so that we have everything in one place. So let's go ahead, click on open folder, then come to the right hand side, the three dots. Okay, now I think it's the plus, yeah. Add a path, nope, not that. No, it should be create that. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is it. So what I clicked on was add a storage. This is it. So now I'm going to type in the name right here. I'm just gonna call it project. I just got a project. Then this it. If you look on top, it says select a folder. Now we have not created any folder yet. That's what we're doing now. So let's just click on OK. So we name the folder project. So click OK. It said this file is required. Okay, I'm gonna click on that too. Oh, okay, problem right here. Create a new folder. Okay, let's click on that. Folder name. Let's call it project A code. Then okay. Could use this folder. Yes. So I clicked on use this folder. Then I'm going to allow it. Oh, so that's it. So add the path. Okay, then click OK. Okay, so that's it. So I'm clicking on that. What did I? Okay, then I'm gonna come down here and click on this pass mark on the right hand side.
It's all just for fun, just a hobby.
Oh crap,
I'm actually a
that's
trader,
in it.
not a taxi driver. Really? Look at it. I brought my friends through the referral program. Now they are earning and I'm getting bonuses. Share the link with friends, trade together, and earn bonuses. Thanks, bro, for the useful link. Pocket friends. Share real things, share real links.
Okay, so right now I need to confirm. List all files in the project. Too many files may crash the app. Okay. Okay, so this is it. We can see we have a project right here. So let's name this. So we're going to save this file. Click on save. Here we have a pathway it wants to go to. Save date. Someone to rename it. Where's the rename? Okay, so that's the rename up there. Like here. Then now we're going to type in the name. Now the name is very important, seriously, because whatever you name it, because let me show you right here. So I'm just gonna put index, small letter. Index dot html. Then we'll click OK. You can see that. You can see we have the HTML logo showing there. So that's very important, and you use the right extension. That extension I ended it with HTML. They can also create another one for CSS. Okay, let's create another one. We'll call this style dot CSS. And this is it. Save it. And look at it right here. So from here, we can go ahead and start typing in our code here. Now, it also has extensions if you want to maybe add some few features to it. Let's come down right here. You can see it says install. I'm going to click explore. Okay, so I've clicked on explore and look at it right here. So these are all the extensions you can go through. Oh, that one for Python too. They're prettier right here. Linked, One Dark Pro, snippets. Oh, okay, let's download that. Click on here. Then let's install it.
Are you ready for XM trading? Copy successful traders and earn from the markets, or get copied and make up to 50% profit share from your strategies. It's a win-win for everyone. Sign up for XM copy trading and trade like an expert in no time at all.
Okay, so we are done installing that. Let's go back. I'm going to click on this arrow beside the name right here on the left hand side. Click on that. So we have installed Prettier right here. So these are all the extensions you can add right here. So I'm just going to close that. We have notifications, then search right here. Then let's see, what do we have? Okay, I'm going to click on this arrow. This you can use this to move around, move down, move up. You can copy. How am I going to explain it? Okay. So, okay, click here. Okay, so also that we also have the how can you view the code when you are done. So let's say after you're done typing it, and you now want to view what you have done, what you have to do is you need to type in, let's say, when it uses H1, I know. Okay, I'm looking for the slash. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So this is here. And I change that back. Okay, so basically coding on your phone can be a bit hard, but if you don't have a laptop or a PC, this is the second thing you can do to learn. And until you get your laptop or another device you can use to code on, you can start by using your phone instead of just saying, "Oh, I don't have a PC," so that's the end. You can just start using your phone to code. I'm not going to tell you that it's a piece of cake because number one, you're missing. The screen is smaller, okay, and a smaller screen is not really that fun to code on, and especially when you start typing on your screen, the screen also becomes extra small because of the letters also have to appear. So let me show you how you can view your code right here. Okay. Then document type. Doc type H Okay, we're gonna pull this down. Then come right here. Okay, so let's. So the head is where basically all the metadata is, information that will not be shown in the final project. Yes, like some of the links will be in the head. Okay. Okay, so one of the disadvantage I can say in coding on your device is trying to look for some of the letters. Seriously. Okay. But I think over time, as you do it, you become faster since you know where everything is already. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Then HTML also have an opening tag and a closing tag. So each one I open, I also have to close it properly. If not, it can lead to a lot of errors and mistakes or things appearing where they're not meant to appear. Okay. Next thing we need is the what do we have? This. Okay, closing. HTML. Okay. So next we're going to do is the body. Because that's where we're going to put the text. Because everything that's going to display on the screen is in the body. Bam, bam. Okay. I was about to start singing. That was somehow. Okay. Where's the forward slash? Okay, found it. Okay. I'm going to close the body. Thank you very much. Okay, found it. Close. Okay. And then I'm not going to put everything there. I'll just. Okay, I have this. Title. Okay, we have the title. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So this is where usually you put the name that appears on the top. You know, like right now you're saying index.html. Yes. When you open it on your browser and you see the name of the page you're on, yes, this is where you put the information. Okay, so let's say we have a raw form of the structure. So basically this is basically what you always do when you want to start coding. Okay, so we're now in the body. Yeah, I need to remove this because this needs to go into the body. Oh yeah, so let me now show you some of these. I know I can move this. I think, yes, look at that. You can see how easy I was able to move that up, down, up, down. Then I can also make a copy. You want to copy on top, see? Or copy underneath. I like that feature. Okay. Then we can also move the cursor to the right, to the left, move it down, move it up. I don't know. Okay, basically what I'm using is I sorry. Sorry for the noise. The a bit busy where I'm recording, where I'm doing this live, so it might be a bit noisy. Okay, so right here we now have, okay, we have the copy. Because what I'm using right now is the down buttons, just the arrows going down with a C, the arrows going down with the M, the arrows going up with the M. So basically, the arrows with the M, you can use it to move the line of code on a segment, on a line, okay? You use it to move it down, you can use it to move it up. Then the one with the C, you can make a copy on top or make a copy underneath. Then these other arrows here, that's like greater down and less down, you can use it to move the cursor either left, right, up, or down, okay? Then we also have this other arrow on top, yeah, beside the control, that's CTRL. This, okay, this is what this does. Oh. So if you want to reverse the change that you have made, you click on these arrows are bending down a bit. That is the one on top, beside the shift. You can see you're able to reverse that. If I click on the one on the left, yeah, okay, I brought that back again. So let me remove it by clicking on the one on the left. Okay, so that is it. So let's click on it again to remove some of the extra. Then we can save right here. That's the one beside the escape. The icon beside the escape right here. This is to save. I don't know. Should I make a separate video on this so that I can add some arrows showing you what I'm exactly clicking on and pressing, or is this just okay? Okay, so the next thing we need to do is, let me show you when you want to view your code. Let's say you have started typing, you're coding already. To view it, you just need to click this play button on top on the right hand side, right here. So click on that. So once you click on it, you should see the code. Yeah, I'm in the right spot. Okay, I don't not showing why. Okay, let's check it out. Maybe we made a mistake. Okay, then put a title right here. Okay. Project. Mm-hmm. Okay. So if you want to run the active file path and hold on the icon. Okay. Let's try that out. Just hold it down. Oh wow. Okay. Now I can't make any changes here. So let's go back. Okay. Question: why is the code not showing? Let's see. I'm in the body. Well, header, title, HTML slot. Doing everything rightly. Why is this not working? Try it again. Oh yeah. I don't think I've saved it. I've not saved it. So don't forget to save. To save. Then let's try it again. Okay, not still showing. Let's go back and figure this out. Let me try something else. So this is for paragraph. Okay, next this, then oh. Okay, found it. Just looking for. Yeah, I'm also looking for the forward slash. Okay. Mhm. Then I need to close this. Okay, that. Then yeah. Then save. And let's check. No, I think it should work. I don't think the text color should do any difference. Okay, let's try something. No, it's usually gonna be black. Color is going to be black. Let's see. Opening tag, clicking phone, each one. 81 and save. Okay, I'm trying to check why it's not. Oh crap. Oh crap. Seriously, I can't believe I made that. I've been typing in the wrong shit. Oh crap. That's okay. So another thing you need to make sure you don't do is type in the wrong shit. I'm typing into the HTML, I mean the CSS shit, which explains why it's not showing. So I'm just gonna cut this out, come to the HTML and paste it there. Okay, then save it. Then let's come back and take a look, try that again, and that's it. Ah, rubbish. Can't believe that. Okay, so you can see this is how it's going to look like. This is it. So I was typing into the wrong sheet because right here we have the HTML, which is what I'm writing currently. Then the CSS, which is this one, is where you do the coloring, moving around, and stuff like that. So this is it. Okay, totally demonstrates that up. So that is it. That's how you can use this coding, this a code on your devices, on your phone, tabs, Android phones. I'm not sure about iPhone. I'm not sure about that. Maybe it's available there. But this is it. So we have other things. We have the file names, can create files from here. Files, close files, open recent files, find files, and settings. You can make some changes there. So if you want the text to be bigger, smaller, no, things like that. So edit settings, color preview, blue, okay. Font size. So this is the current font size, 12 pixels. Okay, we have format on save. So this way you can make some changes, but if you don't have an idea of some of the things here, don't play around with it, okay? And even if you do, you can always just restore default settings right here. So we have the default settings there. So let's go back. Okay, so this is where I'm going to stop for now, for today, in this live. Oh, that's really short. Okay. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.